Now here's the other way. Take a revolutionary, and the very least, or the very most you can do, is to simply directionalize to some slight veering his revolution. You maybe can slightly alter the direction of his revolutionary tendency. You could maybe persuade him not to revolt against the king, but to revolt against the prime minister. See? Change his vector a little bit, see? You could say, well, don't revolt against the... why revolt against the state? Because you can't win. They've all got machine guns. A very much better activity at the present moment is revolt against its educational system and eventually overthrow it thereby. Oh yeah, you say, yeah, all right, that's okay. See? He'd go on in that particular direction. But understand, he really has never given up revolting against the state. In other words, you could veer to some slight degree the direction of purpose of an individual. But he really never gives up. And what fools everybody is, he says he gives up.